Story, a war veteran and cancer patient made substantial progress in beating the disease using an experimental drug. But the company that made that drug, well, they just stopped producing it. But after appealing, the company says now it will still provide the drug. Joining me now, Brad and Annie Giesting. Brad and Annie, thank you so much for joining us. Brad, explain to me what you've been going through and how this situation came about.
Well, I've been going through lots of chemotherapy. Started with tumor in my abdomen. Did multiple surgeries, chemo, radiation. Failed in November. Had a reoccurrence. They went ahead and started me on a clinical trial in June, and I've been on that for about 18 months now. Working on getting rid of these tumors.
Brad, sorry to cut you off, but the drug was showing signs of working, and then you find out that they're not going to produce it anymore. Is that right? What did you do then?
That's correct. I started with 4 tumors, and I'm down to 1, and very small in size. And right before Christmas, they said, we're going to stop the trial, and sorry, and that was pretty much it.
So then, Annie, what happened then? Who did you go to say, wait a minute, this is working for my husband, you can't just stop this now? What happened?
Pretty much I obviously was very upset, and we wrote something on Facebook and started kind of a campaign called Rally for Brad, and it was really just to create awareness of issues like these. We were just doing anything that we could to get the drug company to change their mind and give my husband the drug.
And how successful was that campaign?
It was very successful. It didn't take long, but the drug company said no several times to us and to our doctors, but changed their mind just last week and are going to let him continue the trial.
That's terrific. So, Brad, has there been a gap in the treatment for you, or were you able to keep the treatments going on the regular schedule?
They're going to keep me on the regular schedule, so
okay.
We'll
But
have another trial set up.
How long are you going to continue to take the drug, and what's the prognosis?
As long as I can stand it, I can take it. As long as my doctor thinks it's the right thing to do, and still working, and I'll continue on it as long as I can fight.
Very good. Well, Brad and Annie Giesting, thank you for joining us today, and we wish you the best of luck